Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Bitcoin on your Ledger Nano X and want to move it over to Kraken for trading or other purposes, you're in the right place. This guide is tailored for 2025, so we'll cover the latest steps to make sure everything goes smoothly. Why do this? Kraken offers great liquidity and advanced features, but security is key when dealing with crypto. Let's dive in step by step. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is fully set up and connected to your computer or via Bluetooth. Update your Ledger Live app to the latest version for 2025. This ensures compatibility and security patches are in place. Open Ledger Live and navigate to your Bitcoin wallet. You'll see your current balance. Double-check that everything looks correct before proceeding. Next, head over to your Kraken account. Log in securely and go to the deposit section. Select Bitcoin as the currency, and Kraken will generate a unique wallet address for you. This is crucial. Copy this address carefully, as any mistake could send your funds to the wrong place. Pro tip: always verify the address by comparing it character by character to avoid scams. Now, back on your Ledger Nano X, initiate the transfer. In Ledger Live, select Send from your Bitcoin wallet, paste the Kraken address into the recipient field, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Don't forget to leave a little extra for network fees, which might have changed in 2025 due to Bitcoin's updates. Once you're ready, confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by checking the details on the screen and physically approving it with your PIN and buttons. After you approve, the transaction will broadcast to the Bitcoin network. This could take anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's confirmed, hop back to Kraken and refresh your account. Your Bitcoin should appear in your balance. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred Bitcoin from your Ledger Nano X to Kraken. Remember, always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets like Ledger for storage and double-check everything. If you run into any issues, Kraken's support or Ledger's resources can help. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.